Hello all, this is Anusha. I have created this playlist to showcase my cab booking data analysis project in SQL. In this video, I will go through the problem statement, objective and data overview. If you are new here and this is your first video, welcome to my channel. I recommend checking out my other videos where I have explored similar projects on different platforms. Coming back to the topic, we will start with the problem statement. The NYC trip dataset consisting of nearly 20 million records poses significant challenges in terms of data volume, complexity and performance. While Python was instrumental in data cleaning, fixing timestamps and enabling visualizations, it became increasingly resource intensive when working with multiple joins, aggregations and large column processing. To address these challenges, I transitioned the clean data into a MySQL relational database because MySQL provides a structured, query-optimized environment for managing and processing large datasets. It enables efficient indexing, optimized joins, and filtering and aggregations across millions of rows. It can act as a centralized data layer to power dynamic visualizations in Power Business Intelligence tools like Power BI. So my objectives will be store and manage the cleaned NYC trip data in a relational format using MySQL, to develop SQL queries to derive key business insights, to create aggregated views or summary tables to support dynamic reporting in Power BI, ensure data reusability and maintainability for future analytical tasks. Coming to the data overview, I cleaned the main trip file and pre-processed it using pandas and imported it to clean_trips.csv using this command. I have created a detailed playlist including pre-processing of data in pandas along with insight generation. The link is given in description. Please do check. Here I am showing the steps how I imported my data from CSV file to MySQL using Python. Here I have used these libraries to help me importing data, and I have given the details of my local host, and here one database is created which I named it as strips, and the CSV file link is given here, and here you can see chunk size. Since the data is very big, I decided to import the data one by one in chunks because if it goes at a go, it might overwhelm my RAM. So I used a chunk size of 50,000 while importing CSV to MySQL to balance memory usage and performance. And this allowed the system to process large data batches efficiently without overwhelming RAM or causing timeouts on my limited hardware. Here you can see the chunk size is 50,000. I used a for loop so that it runs for all the data. So here you can see in the output uploading chunk 1, uploading chunk 2, and slowly total 399 chunks were uploaded. It approximately took me 5.5 hours to 6 hours of time given my system limitations. After importing data, I have considered optimizing steps because when importing a large CSV file, especially 20 million records into MySQL, operations like joins, aggregations and filtering can become increasingly expensive without proper optimization. Implementing the right post-import strategies ensures that the database remains efficient, responsive and ready for real-time analytics. So the optimization steps I have used aligning with the project objectives are data type optimization, like whatever the table I have created and the data I have imported. So I should make sure the column data types are optimized. Then indexing, query tuning, reusable views, summary or aggregate tables and materialized views. So in the next video, I will be covering one by one of these steps. Thank you.